Strack Norma has built a multilingual and seamless e-commerce experience with Shopware, allowing international customers to effortlessly find exactly what they need. I will show you what I mean. Hi, I am Marie, Product Manager at Shopware, and I'm excited to show you today how Strack Norma has simplified their search with simple means and provides easy, customer-centered access to technical information. The use of icons allows me as a customer to quickly recognize product categories, while a comprehensive product overview, including detailed features, facilitates the comparison of variants. Each product comes with comprehensive downloadable data sheets containing detailed specifications, and the multilingual user interface ensures accessibility for Strack Norma's global audience. I particularly like how Strack Norma combines practical navigation with a multilingual setup to provide a smooth, seamless, and comprehensive e-commerce experience. Thank you very much for watching.